Are you trying to run a contest on Twitter from retweeting? Now, it's a very, very good way to do it. All right, it's a good way to get engagement, and it's a fantastic way to give away prizes and incentives to people that just connect with you. Now, I'm going to show you a really cool aspect to this and how to make it easy. Let's get straight in. Now, guys, if you could make your post go as viral as this one from Elon Musk that only just got tweeted, you would do it in a heartbeat, right? Look how many retweets, 121,600. Now, he didn't even need to give an incentive to get this many retweets, but I'm telling you, you can get it too. Now, you could use softwares such as ShortStack, which will absolutely fly your business to the moon. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how it can do it. Now, whether it's for your business or for a company or for just your personal account, all right, ShortStack are running retweet campaigns. You can actually do it through the dashboard here. Okay, all you got to do is start your campaign and actually just start your retweeting. Now, what that does, it allows it to organize everybody that's retweeting in your campaign and get back involved with just what you love to do, which is posting on Twitter. You don't have to worry about going through, have a look at this, go through every single retweet. Okay, they get imported to this dashboard and then they will turn up. You can do everything you need to do by choosing who you want. You can go through them, you can filter them out, all different things like that from all different social medias, and make it very efficient for when you are trying to do a giveaway or just a retweet campaign for any other reason, like promoting. All you gotta do, guys, is actually make a good plan. All right, if you're doing this, make the rules good, give an actual good prize. Okay, whether that would be a one-on-one call with someone, an introduction to someone, or an actual gift. All right, make sure you've got them things set out and it cannot go wrong. Use ShortStack, use that link down below. It's going to get you the most up-to-date discount, okay, with ShortStack. Very, very good, but there is a free trial, so make sure you use it and see what I'm talking about, right? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.